name's Joe Beckley. I'd like to welcome you down to Leyland SDM Clapham Junction. We're open 7 days a week. We're here for your trade and DIY projects, so please come down and say hello.
We're here to open Leyland's 30th store in Clapham Junction, which is a great addition to our Leyland portfolio.
Leyland SDM is very much about the range of product, the very specialist professional advice that we offer as well that you don't get elsewhere. We've got anything that anybody would like, and also the knowledge to explain how to actually do some of the tasks if people are unsure.
Whatever job you're doing, nothing too big or small, come in and we'll be happy to help.
We're absolutely delighted to welcome the Mayor of Wandsworth to open our 30th store at Clapham Junction.
I'm very pleased to be here to open this great store, Leyland SDM, which is going to be a great asset to the area. I'm sure a lot of householders are going to be rushing in here to buy lots of paint and pliers and wire and plumbing and all the rest of it. And I welcome you. I think it's fantastic.